Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the ntdll.dll error on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. In the Windows search bar, type here CMD, which stands for command prompt. Do not click on it under the best match right away, but you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in the administrator command prompt window, you need to type this command as sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now. This is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. Hit the enter key on your keyboard and the system scan will begin. The verification process will start from 1% and we need to wait for this to be completed so that we can run the second command. Okay, so let's just wait for this in a while. Noon sama? Now once done, type the second command. It's dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. Now this will repair the Windows image. So this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. There is no specific duration for the process. But what you can do, you just need to wait for this to be completed. And if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, here's a tip. Continuously press the space key on your keyboard and that might help you. Okay, so that's it. Once this is completed, then just simply close out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.